What if I told you the secret to making delicious jelly is in the flowers that are growing in your own backyard? I know what you're thinking. I've never made jelly before. Is it really that simple?
It's pretty simple.
Today we are going to walk through some of the flowers we use and the simple 5-step process that can be replicated for each to turn them into a unique, delicious jelly.
We're going out to pick forsythia flowers to make jelly out of. Let's just go. We're gonna have to cross the creek.
At least it's a lot lower than it has been.
Yeah, that's true. This one I haven't used before for jelly, so kind of excited to try it. I do wish I had garden shears, but these scissors will work for now. So we're kind of catching these at the end of their prime, it seems like, but it's been so rainy and we haven't had a chance to get these. I've heard these have a peach-like taste, but I don't know. We'll see. After picking, if you're gonna make jelly, you want to remove anything green because it can taste more bitter and the flour is sweeter.
What do they smell like?
I don't know, I can't think of it. Something that I've smelled before. I know what it smells like. Star fruit.
Really?
Yeah, it smells like star fruit to me.
I don't even know what star fruit smells like.
Most jellies are really similar. Floral jellies, you start by making a tea with the flowers. Okay, so I'm gonna do a quick rinse of these and then I'll put it into here with some hot water. We ended up with 4 cups of flowers and I'll add that to 4 cups of water for the tea mixture. Just wanna lightly rinse. I'm gonna get this really hot to do the tea. And you're gonna wanna let that sit now for about 10 to 20 minutes. Today we're gonna pick violets and dandelions for 2 different types of jelly. Dandelions can be kind of finicky with the weather too, so a lot of times they close up if it's cold or rainy. So you want to try to pick them when they're fully opened. When you're making dandelion jelly, you just want to take the tops of the flower. You don't need the stem because you're actually going to just take out all the yellow parts and not use any of the other stem part. Violets are really fun to make jelly with because they make a really pretty blue-purple tea color for the mixture. And then when you add the lemon juice to it, it turns bright pink, which is super fun. Okay, now that we've steeped the flowers for a while, we're going to strain out the liquid and then add lemon juice. There's the blue. Now I'm going to turn this on Turn it on high, medium high. I'm gonna add in the pectin and stir it until it's all the way dissolved. If you're making like certain types of jam with fruit has natural pectin in it, and so a lot of times you don't actually need the pectin. But for something like this, it will help thicken it. Then I'm just gonna stir it until it dissolves all the way. We're going out to pick grape hyacinth flowers for one of my favorite jellies. We only have a few, but we'll work with what we have. Ran out. I want to plant more of these. These ones have kind of a stronger taste, so you don't need as many flowers, and you just use the petals on them. After you pick them, you're going to remove the petals from the stem. So you just kind of slide them off like this. It's been boiling for just about a minute, so I'm going to add our sugar in. I'm going to whisk that until all of the sugar is dissolved, and then bring it back to a boil for just about another minute, and then we'll put it into the jars. Today we're picking lilacs to make some more jelly. There's not very many, so we're just going to make a small batch. Maybe I'll just hang this on the tree. They smell so good. They look like they got hurt by the frost. Before we put the jelly into the jars, we soak the jars in hot water first to avoid the risk of cracking. If the jars are cold and you put the hot jelly in, then there's a big chance of it cracking. So you want your jars and lids hot when you're scooping your jelly into it. Now we're going to pour the liquid jelly into the jars, and as it cools, it will set.